Hello guys, welcome to my channel REEY Technical. Today I want to show you how to watch movie HD in cinema for free. Yes, you want to watch some movie in Hollywood, yes, but you don't want to buy a ticket in cinema. You can watch by your iPhone for free. Okay, yeah, let's start together. First you tap on Safari, yes, and then you go search, you typing website H movie 000h.org, yes, and then you tap on search, yes, and you go to hmovie 0h.org, you tap on this, yes, and then this you can see all the movie, yes, popular, you can see popular movie show you in here, yes, which movie that you want to watch, yes, you can watch F9, Jingle Cruise, Black Window, yes, a lot of movie that you can watch for free, okay, and you want to search more movie, you can tap 1 2 3 4, yes, and you click on 2, yeah, and then show all of movie, yes, that you want to watch, okay, and if you want to watch this movie F9 example, you can tap on F9, yes, F9 movie, yeah, and you wait, yes, because my internet is so slow, okay, then you tap on this video, yeah, you tap one, and then you tap on this and you delete it, yes, and then you go tap again, yes, now movie loading, okay, wait, because my internet is so slow, and I'm go back, yes, if you want to search the movie that you like, you can search here and you type in, yes, you know, I just search Spider-Man, yes, Spider-Man, and I go search, okay, yes, a lot of Spider-Man that show this tab, okay, yes, okay, now I'm at this video, yes, thank you for watching, don't forget subscribe, like for more video, okay, thank you, goodbye.